Okay, so we'd like to give you an update on Tropical Storm Fay. Tropical Storm Fay was clocked at about, between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today on this GOES image that we were just looking at. This is actually the radar image near Virginia Beach, and you can see it's off the coast out into the ocean waters. There's not a lot of lightning associated with this storm. It's not a very intense storm, as you can see from the radar image. However, its path is northeast towards Long Island. So this image here, I'd like to pull this one up and just show you this image because this outlines the Gulf Stream. You can see highlighted in green that squiggly line that goes all the way up along the coast. That is the Gulf Stream, very warm waters. If in fact this storm decides to drift out into the Gulf Stream waters, it will intensify. It will intensify as it goes northeast, and it could bring a lot of heavy rain, lightning, high winds, wind gusts over 60, 70 miles per hour, sustained winds at 50, 45 miles per hour. And that's if it travels over the Gulf Stream. As of right now, it's not out that far into the ocean. It's not that far off of the coast. It is hugging the coast, and that's what it appears to be doing on the images from the GOES national satellite. It appears that way on some of the National Service weather radars that we have access to as of right now. It even appears to me like it would go back into shore and more hit Delaware and those areas. But for now, its estimated path is towards Long Island and parts of southern Connecticut. And taking one more look at the satellite image, you can see that it is just off the coast, so it's not quite out as far as the Gulf Stream, but it could make its way out towards the Gulf Stream, and if it does, it will pick up a lot of that warm energy, that warm water energy, and it's going to intensify as it comes northeast. But for now, it looks like it's going to hug the coast, and we should see it by Saturday or Sunday. And by then, it could weaken. The storm could weaken if it doesn't go out to those warmer waters, stays over the cooler waters by the coast. And if it does that, then it could weaken to a depression, a tropical depression. That would be a downgrade from a tropical storm by the time it reaches landfall come this weekend.